Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Witch Baby soap haul, another one. After I went in and placed my first order, I was like, oh my gosh, I definitely need to go back. This time I got a sticker, which I think is super cute. Just like, I don't know, I just love that logo. And then her card. I don't know what she's got going on over there, but she's got something really good. Everything comes so beautifully packaged. Of course, I tore right into my package. It comes wrapped in this brown paper, and then she puts a sticker on everything. It's nice. So on my last video, a few of you guys commented some of your favorite products, which is bad news because one of you, and I can't remember the name, I never can, I'm sorry. But one of you guys had recommended the coffee scrub. I can't think of what it's called right now. That was one that I was staring at for a while, I think, or maybe it was the coffee bath bomb you said you liked. And then I was like, oh gosh, I really wanted to try that coffee scrub. And then there was another one that you recommended, and I was like, I was looking at that one too. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this. So the first thing I got is the Lucy Purr body scrub, and it is ginger ale and cherries. I think I'm really gonna like her scrubs. I just got the 4 ounce, so I didn't want to go nuts. You can tell I dipped my finger in there to see the consistency of the scrub. And it seems like it's going to be a scrub that I'm really going to like. It seems like it's pretty, like, scrubby. Like, there's a lot of scrubby action going on in here. But the ingredients she puts in here are just amazing. Like, she's got sunflower seed oil, dragon fruit powder, cherry powder, and then of course organic sugar. So that one smells amazing. I love that scent. I think it's part of her Valentine's Day line. I'm not 100% sure, but the name is totally cute too. Okay, after I hauled the Moon Lips bath bomb, I knew I needed the body butter because it smelled freaking amazing. This is lavender, coconut, and buttercream. And it has a stone in it. I'm pretty sure that's an amethyst. I can't remember. But how freaking adorable is that? This scent, oh, just smells so good. Lavender, coconut, buttercream. Oh, I knew when I smelled the bath bomb, I was like, I'm gonna love this scent. So I went for it. So again, this has a lot of good ingredients. I don't see anything like right off the bat that I'm just like, that's not good. She's got like lavender oil, sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, shea butter. Just good stuff. So there's that. I need to watch it because I don't like her scrubs seem like they're going to be really good, but I don't want to like have too many on hand because, you know, I don't want anything to go bad like I did with my, I had to throw a lot of stuff away when I was doing my bathroom declutter, and I was just like, oh gosh. But I think they were just products that I really didn't love anyways, so that's why. So anyways. Venus Wine Body Scrub. This is raspberry, wine, and undying love. I think this might also be part of her Valentine's Day line. Oh, this smells really good. This is a great shower scent. This is one I probably wouldn't love in like wax or like a body butter, but a scrub, it's totally fine. Just because it's rich. And it's got that raspberry scent, but yeah, that one will be good. So this one is sugar raspberry puree, which is kind of cool. It's got, let's see, I'm just trying to see. It's got the coconut oil, raspberry fruit seed, wine extract, just more good stuff. You can also get these in the smaller bottles. Like I got the 8 ounce, but you can get them in the smaller, like the Lucy Purr, which is 4 ounce. And I think sometimes she has like a sample size. So then I got, I think this is part of the Valentine's Day line. This is the Candy Quartz Bath Bomb. So this one has some sort of stone in it as well. And I thought that was pretty cool to be taking a bath and then like all of a sudden a stone pop out. That was just like a cool bomb. And the scent sounded really nice. I'm trying to remember, this one sounded really good as far as scent as well, but I don't remember the scent notes. This is Third Eye Bath Bomb, and I think I saw a demo of this and it looked really cool. It was like, yeah, it just looked really cool. I try to figure out what colors are gonna come popping out. So sometimes I'll go look at demos to see, because I'm thinking, well, if it's just gonna be one color, then I probably don't wanna like, I probably don't want it, because I like the multicolor bombs. And then the last thing I got was the Snakes Bath Bomb, and this one sounded really good. It's more of like a fresh, I think, fresh and like green type scent, but not overly green, like a Guardian of the Forest from Lush, if you're familiar with that. To me, it smells better, more like a green and like maybe a cologne. It's hard to smell through this plastic though, what she wraps the stuff in, but I just thought this looked really cool and would be a fun bath bomb. And look at that luster on top. I know it's hard to see, but it's there. Okay, so that is that. Was that everything that I got? Which, trust me, that's plenty. Yeah, okay. So I definitely don't need any more body butters. If I buy any more body butters, I'm gonna try to get the smaller sizes. And if I buy any more scrubs, I'll stick with the smaller sizes because I don't wanna go nuts. But yeah, her stuff, her site is really cool looking. The website is super easy to use. Shipping is fast. It doesn't take forever to get your stuff. She seems to be on top of it. I don't know if she has like a team. I'm not really like that familiar with her company, but yeah, everything I've gotten so far has been in like great shape. You know, I haven't had any like dusty anything happen. So yeah, that's really cool. I will get back to you on like reviews after I use the stuff and let you know how I like it. I might be starting up my series again with where I pull out 7 products to use, 7 products that I need to use, and 7 products that I have used. That was my project 777. And I did like little mini reviews of the 7 products that I finished. I might try that again. I don't know. Okay, but that's it. If you guys have any other favorites, the last video you guys put a lot of your favorites down there. I'd love to know more. So if you're catching this video and you have a favorite product, please let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye guys.